Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover abandoned carts in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we can go for example to orders and here you can find your abandoned checkouts. And here you can see when customers put an item in their carts but don't check out. So basically for that we need just to reduce the abandoned rates. And to do so, there are some tips that you can try so you can avoid this problem. First one is just to use an inbox or some email marketing tools with like Klaviyo of Shopify, and this one would help you to reduce the abundant cards in Shopify. So basically, it will allow you to start sending emails or messages to your customers so they can not forget the abundant cards for your store. Otherwise, you can also try the live chat. You can try the inbox of Shopify. So it's the Shopify App Store or the Shopify inbox application that you can try so you can start chatting with your customers and remind them to check out for your uh, products. Also, you can try only to start making your checkout page more appealing so they can check out. To do so, you will need just to go to your online store, then check for your theme, and then you can go to customize and search for your checkout page and then make sure to be more appealing as possible. So here in checkout and customer, make your checkout page to be more appealing and to not having much information to fill. So if there is too much information to fill, the customer will get bored and won't check out for your product. So basically, those are the tips that you can try. Thank you for watching and see you next time.